Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pre-workout drink at home with coffee. Using coffee as your pre-workout offers a natural energy boost without artificial ingredients. It can significantly enhance your focus and improve athletic performance during your workout sessions. Plus, crafting your own drink at home is a cost-effective way to fuel your fitness routine. It's simple, effective, and tailored to your needs. To create a basic coffee pre-workout, start by brewing 1 cup of your favorite strong coffee. Once brewed, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of honey, which provides a quick source of carbohydrates for immediate energy. For an added boost, consider including a small pinch of salt. This helps replenish electrolytes lost during exercise. Stir it all together until well combined. To further enhance your homemade pre-workout, you can incorporate several beneficial supplements. Adding 5 grams of creatine can support muscle strength and power output. For muscle recovery and growth, a scoop of your preferred protein powder is an excellent addition. If you're looking to improve endurance, mixing in a small amount of BCAA or branched-chain amino acids can also be very effective. These additions elevate your drink. For optimal results, consume your homemade pre-workout about 30 to 60 minutes before you begin exercising. Always listen to your body and adjust the amount of caffeine to match your personal tolerance and energy needs. Remember, staying well hydrated throughout your day and during your workout is crucial for performance and recovery. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals to support your fitness journey. Enjoy your energized workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.